Hi guys, so we buy these lights and install here in our garage, and we we copy like what we saw in Amazon, like install it like a hex. And so my nephew install it, and he don't have a problem installing it. I will show it to you guys. So it's this one is part of it, and look, so just connect it. Look, just like that. And we buy two of them, and it's really so bright, guys. It makes my garage super hot. Now I think this one's gonna be good if it's maybe the nighttime, because if it's daytime it's really make it super hot. But it's bright. I'm going to show you how it look like. Okay, first I'm going to twist my phone so you can see it. Look at that. So we still have a lot of leftovers, and I don't know if he's going to install all of it, because I still have like 20. It's really handy to install, guys. I mean, even me, I can do it, but my nephew said that he's gonna install it himself. That's why I just let him install it. Oh. So it comes with all these connectors. Look. Okay guys, so my husband called, so I have to stop the video. Anyway, so it comes with all these connectors and the plug and the wire. See? I thought I need to call the electrician to install it, but my nephew said that he can do it. So he just, look, just screw it, to the wall, to the ceiling, and it's really easy to install for him. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn on the lights now, and I just let it, I just twist my phone since I'm using the tripod. Ding, ding, ding. Now look at, guys, it's so bright. I think if he's going to connect more of that, it will look good. And it's already so bright for just view of it. This would be nice, It's so pretty. Now my exercise garage is already super bright. Look at that. This is my garage, my washer, and all my stuff in here.